How to add TikTok sounds to Capcut. To get started, first of all, open up the Capcut application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on New Project. Now select a video from your camera roll and then tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Here, you can edit the video as you like. Tap on Add Audio as shown. Then tap on Sounds at the bottom. Here, you can find all the available sounds. Now tap on the TikTok section at the top. Tap on Login to TikTok to sync your favorite sounds. You will then be taken to this page on TikTok. Tap on Continue at the bottom to allow Capcut to access your TikTok account. After that, fill in the necessary details such as your birth date to sign in. Following these steps, you can easily add TikTok sounds to Capcut. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.